Give the concept of game theory. Game theory is a way to consider the impact of the course of action of others on our strategies and outcomes. In other words, it is a peculiar type of decision theory in which one's choice of strategy is determined after considering the possible alternative available to an opponent playing the same game, rather than just by the possibilities of several outcomes. What do we mean by fair game? A game is said to be fair if both maximum and minimax values are equal to 0. What are two-person zero-sum game? The game involving only two players and the sum gained by one player is equal to sum lost by other player is called two-person zero-sum game. Explain about the games with and without saddle point. Basically, we have two players in the game. The player in the row is always treated as winner and the player in the column is always treated as loser. Hence, there are some fundamental principles that winner and loser follow while playing the game. The winner follows the maximum strategy. Under this strategy, the winner selects the strategy corresponding to maximum or minimum payoff strategies. In a similar way, the loser follows the minimax strategy. Under this strategy, the loser selects the strategy corresponding to minimum or maximum payoff strategies. In the game, we see the interests of players are coincident exactly. Mathematically, we observe maximum value of winner is always equal to minimax value of loser. The point is known as equilibrium point and they are said to have existence of saddle point. We may not have the pure strategy solution for the game. In such a case, the player will select the strategies on the basis of predetermined probabilities. The strategies determined in this way are called mixed strategies and game without saddle point. Define pure strategy with suitable example. Basically, we have two players in the game. The player in the row is always treated as winner and the player in the column is always treated as loser. Hence, there are some fundamental principles that winner and loser follow while playing the game. The winner follows the maximum strategy and the loser follows the minimax strategy. The point where maximum strategy is equal to minimax. The game is with pure strategy. Define dominance rule. Dominance rule is based on the principle that we determine the strategy which is preferable to some other strategy. In other words, we delete the strategy from the list which is found to be less attractive to at least one of the existing strategies in terms of payoff. This determination is done from the perspective of both player A and B one by one or at the same time. Is there any twist in the convention of game? A game refers to a situation in which two or more players are competing. The players, decision makers have different goals or objectives.